Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus for free. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and type download Windows 11 into the address bar. Hit enter. Click to open this first website. Now scroll down to the Download Windows 11 disk image for 64 devices section. Click to select this. Now click on the Download option. Here click to select the language that you would like to use for your operating system. Click on Confirm. Now click on the 64-bit download option. Here the download will start, but let me cancel this because I already downloaded the software. Here it is. Now, again click to open the browser. Click to add the new tab. Here type to search, download Rufus. Hit enter on your keyboard. Once you're on the Rufus website, scroll down to the download section. Click on the latest version to download Rufus. Your Rufus will start downloading the Rufus executable file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Now drag it to the desktop. Here you can see I have these two files. So double-click it to run Rufus. Now insert your USB drive into the computer of at least 8 GB and make sure you don't have any important data on it. Here you can see it's selected. Now under Boot Selection, navigate to the location where you saved the Windows 11 ISO file. Select it and click Open. Rufus will automatically configure the necessary settings. You can leave everything as is. But if you don't know the partition scheme for your PC, just click on Start. Type in system information. Click to open. Now here on the BIOS version, you can see it's in UEFI mode, which means we need GPT. Now you can rename your USB drive if you want. Now, click on the Start button to begin creating your bootable USB. Here you can select the configuration that you want. After that, click on OK. Rufus will warn you that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed. Click OK to proceed. Rufus will now create the bootable USB. This process may take several minutes, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see a ready message. And that's it. You've successfully created a Windows 11 bootable USB using Rufus. You can now use this USB drive to install or reinstall Windows 11 on any compatible PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.